Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will allow the player to damage this gangster as well. As you know that this gangster has already all of the function for taking the damage, and also this gangster has the present health as well. So now we just simply need to type the code for the player to damage the gangster. Okay, let me just move the player a little bit closer to the gangster, somewhere right there. Okay, and then let's click on this weapon shop and let's move this weapon shop closer to the player as well, because we can't run from this area to there and grab the weapon. We just leave the weapons right there closer to the player. Okay, right there, these are the rifles. Now if we double click on this player, okay, and actually for now, as I told you, we will be damaging the police officers and these gangsters just by the handgun. We will be adding that same code to our shotgun and every other rifle, but now just for testing we will be adding that code only to our handgun. So for that you will be needing to open up the handgun script. Okay, right here we have this handgun script, so let's open this up. And if you scroll down right here, let's add a reference to our gangster1 script. Let's name this as gangster1 as well, but the g will be small. Then this will be equals to hit info dot transform dot get component, and we want to get the gangster1 script. So gangster1, that is it. Now right here after this FBI officer, let's copy this, paste it down below. Instead of the FBI officer we will type gangster1 is not equals to null. Then we will say gangster1 dot character hit damage give damage. Okay, and that will be it. So now by using the handgun we will be able to damage the gangster as well. Let's go ahead and save the script. Let's play the game. Let's pick up the handgun. Let's take it out. As you can see, there is the handgun. There is the gangster. Okay, let's now try to damage the gangster. As you can see, now we can damage the gangster. And now as you can see, once we kill the gangster, the wanted level star is being activated. Okay, but we don't have any policemen near us, so that's why the police officers cannot come and catch us. Okay, you can remove this gangster1 wanted level stars. Okay, because by killing the gangster we don't want the police officer to follow us. But if you want to leave this code as it is, then you can leave it. But if you want to remove this code, then on the gangster1 script right here, just simply remove this code and it will just fix your issue. That is it. That is all you need to do. Okay, but I will just leave this as it is. And right here, if we notice our gate, there is something in our gate which is this thing. Okay, so if we select it, let's delete it actually, because we don't need this. I don't know why. What was that? So remove that from the gate. Okay, so now as you know that we can damage our gangster now. Now in the next video we will add the next type of gangster who will be just standing in one direction, and if he saw the player he will run towards the player. Okay, and we will be adding that gangster or bodyguard right here inside the mansion. Okay, and now as you know that you can add as many gangster as you want, similar to this one. Okay, but now in the next video we will add the next type of gangster. So with this done, I will see you guys in the next one.